Dear people, this is Suman Pachugula on a mission to impact 5 million lives. And here, I have seen most of the recruiters going low when things go down. So now the thing is, this is how the world works. There is up and down. So there is a low time that we have to encounter in our any professional life or personal life. Now, if you are thinking you are the one who is only targeted with the negative things or the failures, now you don't have to give that badge to yourself. And if you look, there are 8 billion people on the planet Earth approximately, and you are not alone who might be going with this kind of problem. Could be your problem is unique because that is related to your own work. But do you think the people around here are resistance proof or the pain proof kind of people they are living? Not at all. So here the point is, do not ever judge yourself or badge yourself that you are good for nothing or you are a smaller entity. Maybe you do not have a good communication skills. Maybe you do not know something how to do it. Maybe you cannot source candidate properly, or maybe you did not have placements in last 4 months. Big deal. You just have to understand that there is something that you are doing might be missing, and that is the reason you are not making that placement. Simple as that. And what happens most of the time when we see the continuous failures, that is what we call, in fact, the failure is something that the output did not happen the way we expected, correct? That is what we call failure. I lost it. So now you need to keep a different thought process to it and sit down. Let people think whatever they want. It is your life, your job, and you need to progress. And if you are in this industry anew, then you should not be worrying about it, because the skills that people need to learn, and it takes more than 10 years, 15 years to master everything. So now your primary thought would be not to master everything, but to climb one step after another with a clear understanding, and you're improving your skills. So could be you are learning the sourcing. You failed sometimes. Okay, now you're mastering the sourcing. Then writing emails, then talking to people, then closing candidates, then understanding how to work on full-time positions and so on. So each step, each day you progress, you have to focus what is that you are adding to your experience, okay? And do you think if it is easy, everyone wouldn't do it? Everyone will do it. And this is in the process. This is not in the recruiting, but everywhere. There are doctors who fail to operate a patient properly and the patient dies, right? Just imagine what kind of emotional state the person goes who were just doing the operations and the person dies just because of some mistakes. Now you are fortunate that you are just in the industry of giving jobs to the people. So you feel blessed for that. And if you're worried about the small obstacles that you're facing in your day-to-day life that is stopping you to make placements, that is stopping you to give explanation to your manager, I would say it is still better than having no job. So now stop worrying about it. Anything, the outcome that comes opposite to your expectation, meaning there are some acts that you might not have done properly, or there are something which has been missed. Okay, now look at every situation in different angle and stop judging yourself as good for nothing. You are the best person that currently living on the planet Earth. There are so many people who love you. There are so many people who are depending on you. There are so many people whom you are inspiring. There are so many people who look at you, but you do not know yet. That is what the one thing that you got to find out. What is that you are? What are your capabilities? And once you take that to the next level to your personal and your professional life, you see how beautiful it is going to be. All right, keep me posted about that. Any situation that is worrying you and you are overcoming it, share with others and let other people understand how to win this life. Thank you very much for listening. This is Suman Pachigula on a mission to impact 5 million lives through recruiters. Take care and God bless, guys.